Hey guys, today I wanted to do a review on my bike rack. This is the Kuat NV 2.0. I got this probably about, I think it's been about a week now, yeah. And I wanted to do a review on it. So I got this bike rack on backcountry.com. It originally goes for $687, but I had a code on there for $587. It is a lot of money, I know, but I wanted something top of the line, something that's gonna last me, something I'll always use. Because me and my brothers, we ride our bikes, and I'm always gonna ride my bike, so I wanted something good, something's gonna last. So far, this bike rack has been really, really great. I really do love it. I think it's worth the money. But let me just walk you through it. I want to do a review and show you all the features and stuff, some of the stuff I like, and maybe some of the stuff that I don't like. So you got these little arms. This is like a nice coating so it doesn't rust or anything, so I like that feature about it. So what you want to do though to get the bike off, first I would go over here to the strap, unclick that, so that's free, and then push this lever in, you bring the arm down and push the arm all the way in, and that's as far as the arm will go down. It's not going to go down anymore, and the bike is free. So that's super simple. So much time saved getting my bike off. It's just like way less of a hassle than my old bike rack. I love it. So to get it back on, you just do the same steps, obviously, in reverse. It says to keep the arm as close to the forks as you can. So that's on there like that, and then obviously just ratchet back the arm there. Cool. That's that. So as far as getting into my trunk area, there's a lever down here. I will show you. So this is the lever here, and what you want to do is you normally would do this with two hands for sure, but I'm just going to show you. So you pull that back, and then it's going to bring the rack free, so it's coming down. Ugh. There we go. And just keep in mind the weight of the bicycles, or how many bicycles you have on there. So I'm going to come around over here. Cool. Plenty of room for the trunk to open up. So you have, yeah, quite a bit of space. I would say that's about 1.5 feet of space for it to open. Sometimes the receiver hitch are pushed back more, so I guess they add a little bit extra just in case. Yeah, just in case it is pushed back more. So yeah, that's that feature. And actually, while I'm back here, they give you this Allen key. It's just like kind of tucked away back there, nice and neat. So this Allen key goes to these cradles, so you can loosen up this cradle. I'll show you the bolt in a second, but you can loosen up this cradle, and this cradle can go lower so you can get a more secure bike fit. So depending on what kind of bike you have or whatever. I'm just gonna push the bikes up there, and I'm gonna take the bikes off and show you some other things real quick. Alright, now with the bikes off, so that lever that I got it to tilt, same lever, you want to pull it back and then push up. And that was just my bike off the drive. And that's in the stored position. So when it's in the stored position, you have the option to technically work on your bike. So what you want to do here is pop this lever open, and you can, oh, don't do that. It actually has a line to tell you when to, it says max height. So don't bring it past that. So what you want to do here is you want to loosen this one up. So you loosen this all the way up, and then this turns. It's got like little clicks in there. Then you tighten it back up. Let me try to hold it with one hand, and that tightens up. This turns over here, and that comes out just like that. And you can put your bike in here. I've never tried it before, so I'm gonna try it right now. I'm gonna push this snug up there, and then I'm gonna tighten this, and that's gonna tighten the frame up, and then I'm able to do my chain adjustments or tuning the derailleurs, anything like that. Technically, you could kind of drive around like this, but I don't recommend doing it. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe not. But it's just like definitely a cool feature. Since I'm on the road, I don't really have too many places to work on my bike, so this is pretty sweet. I can do adjustments and all that. Like you can even change the forks out if I needed to. Just some different options. Okay, this knob right here is for tightening the hitch up. See how it's not wobbly? That's secure. So if you loosen this up though, let's see. So right there, the hitch is wobbly, and then you're gonna get some noise, and this is gonna be annoying. So you tighten that up, twist this knob here, and that is solid. There's a ball bearing in there, and it pushes up against your hitch inside, and then that's what happens there. You get that nice and sturdy. Oh, I love that. So with that Allen key that was back here, oh, this is what this is for. You can adjust these bolts. You can't really take, I don't think there's any way to take, yeah. It seems to fit this one over here. So it only seems to fit these and this one over here. That's all I notice. Okay. So I'm gonna put that back in its little spot, nice and tucked away. So another thing they give you when you get the rack, you get the, I guess it's the hitch lock. It would be considered that they give you a hitch lock, which is right here, and it comes with 3 keys. So the keys are for the lock, obviously, and then the bike lock. So built into each rack, integrated to each rack, whoops, is a lock. So you basically take the lock out, wrap the frame, and the keyhole's right there. Let me show you how it locks. Put that down there. So you get that one over there, and then you get another one over here on this side for each bike. And as far as putting these back in here, it's got a little hole that this lines up with, and you just pretty much put that nice and easy back. It's really simple, and it's magnet, so there's no key to take that out. It's just a magnet, and that locks up in there. I'm not solely going to rely on these bike locks here. They're just a little thin. They're not bad. It's pretty sweet that this thing comes with it. I mean, they thought about that. That's awesome. So if you wanted to go get something to eat real quick in a restaurant, you don't have to worry about going crazy and locking your bike up. That's gonna be fine for like somewhere in the daylight, I think. But for nighttime, me keeping my bike here all the time, I got this lock here, and I just pretty much wrapped it around the whole frame. This one's a bit thicker, and this thing right here is a bit more heavy duty. So I got this, and then also those 2 locks. So I just feel that makes me feel a little bit better having that. So as far as things I don't like about it, I was thinking it was just a little too heavy, but I come to think about it, my other bike rack was probably about 10 pounds lighter. It wasn't by much. And with that, I think this is more heavier because it's way more high quality. That's real metal. It wasn't like some cheapo aluminum stuff. This is real. This is like high quality right here. It better be for that freaking price point. I'm telling you what. I'm really trying to think of things I don't like about it. It's pretty hard. Maybe other thing would be thicker cables, thicker lock cables, and like I'll show you. It sticks out a little bit. But before I got it, I thought it was going to stick out a lot further. So it's really not terrible. I still like the bike rack. I still think it's worth the money. For somebody who rides their bike a lot, I definitely recommend this rack. To get more on the specs and all that stuff, I won't go through it. You can get it on their website, kuat.com. This does come in a different color, but it's just this piece that's a different color. It's orange, and I don't like orange at all. So I didn't get that one, obviously. So guys, that was my review of the Kuat 2.0. I hope you liked the video, and thank you very much for watching.